Greetings from Secrets Akumal. I am about to give you a room tour of a preferred club junior suite ocean view. This is room 4302. In the evening, the candle is lit up. So it's really kind of nice little ambiance, and then the little chandelier. And you see it's got little designs on it, so it's really pretty the way the light reflects. There's the notorious secret box. This is how housekeeping and room service will deliver your food or whatever your requests are if you do not want to have contact with them. Now let's come inside. I love this art that they have right here, and then a little shelf. Personally, I put my sunglasses there, some hand sanitizer, so when you come in the room, you're germ-free, keep your room nice and clean. This is the 2 double version. Most of them come with a king. There is a rack over here to hang your purses or bags. I really appreciate that. I've not seen that anywhere else but in Secrets Resorts. There's a thermostat that's on the wall here. And right now you're seeing a curtain. So when you have the 2 double beds, you get the solid curtain. But if you have the king, it will be a sheer see-through curtain. And you have the giant jacuzzi here, and it is deep. I don't know if the video does it justice, but it is extra large and extra deep. And I love the mood lighting. And I'm gonna bring you into the bathroom because there's a really cool feature I enjoy. Not so much of what you're seeing, but can you hear it? There's a speaker right there. Volume is right here. So you can turn on some music videos and sit in your jacuzzi and enjoy the ambiance and listen to some music. As you get ready for dinner, you have the nice full-length mirror here for you. A bench there to sit down as well if you need to, or put things as you're in the jacuzzi. There's nothing special about the bathroom, but the light is right inside here. Of course, a phone should you run out of toilet paper, and just a standard toilet room. I love that they have the 2 separate sinks, and the faucets are up here on the wall, which is kind of a nice little touch, along with the stone decor. They give you all the amenities. There's even bug spray, body lotion, tanning lotion, everything you could possibly think of that you might have forgotten to bring with you. And then there is a shower in here as well. Let me see. We just got to this room, so I haven't learned all the buttons yet. But there's your rain shower there, your handheld shower here, a bench there for us ladies so we can comfortably shave our legs. They give you full-size bottles of shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner, and they have a really nice neutral fragrance. So it's not gonna smell girly or musky like a man. All right, let's see what else we can find in here. Hi, we got our bellhop here, but let me try to wrap this up quickly. You got a safe there, the secrets box from the inside if you want shoe shine, blankets, pillows, robes, slippers, and a place to hang up your things. As I said, the double bed version. Kind of a unique chandelier here, phone. This room is a little short on outlets. There's a couple right there. And then there's some over here as well. Today was pineapple day, so we got some pineapples. So the outlet's right there. You have the tablet here with all the daily activities and room service menu, restaurant menus, etc. You do get a bottle of champagne when you check in. It's preferred club, so you're also going to get Pringles and M&Ms, some other snacks. The refrigerator will come stocked pretty much however you'd like. For us, we don't drink regular beers, so those are alcohol-free beers and Cokes and water. All right, on to the good stuff. There is a sofa here. a chair and table, and more lighting, another mirror. But this is what this room category is all about. When you are Preferred Club, you get a large, oversized soaking tub with a bench. It's not a jacuzzi, and it's kind of cool. The water comes out. Like this. And you have hot or cold. So you can make it a little plunge pool, or you can make it a little hot tub. And then the view. So, I don't know if you can see straight ahead. We have the ocean right there. And then we have pool 1 and pool 2. We're right next to the seaside grill, and across from is the Oceana. And down below are swim outs. And yeah, so this is our home for the week. And I want to thank you for joining in and watching this video. If you like this room or like the video, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more vacation destination videos, be sure to hit notification and subscribe, and you'll be updated as I update the videos. So thanks again for tuning in, and safe travels, my friends.